How to upload videos from Creator Center on TikTok. Open Chrome browser and then type TikTok login. Open the first website and put your login details. Once you log in, click on your profile right here. And then click on Upload right here. Now click on Select Files to upload your video. Right up here, you can choose to edit your video. Mine is already edited, so I'll just go ahead and caption my video. Check out the video in the description below. Turn this on to schedule your video. Turn this on if you are promoting a brand, and then lastly turn this on for copyright check. My video has no copyright claim. Right up here, you can select from the video to make a cover photo. But I'm okay with mine, so I'll just leave it. Once everything looks okay for you, hit post. And then boom, your video is uploaded. Now you can choose to post another video or manage your post. If you love this tutorial, please consider giving me a thumbs up and also follow me on TikTok.